Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the latest build of Windows 10, build 18885, released just yesterday. After more than 2 weeks without a build, we finally have something. The build was postponed because there was a glitch with 18362 that prevented people from actually moving on to the fast ring builds. So, once again, if you're on 18362, you have to move on to 18362.86, I believe. It's a cumulative update that is available. Once that is applied to your machine, you will see, if you're in the fast ring, build 18885 appear and hopefully install well on your PC. So what's new in this new build? First, the install went perfectly. I had no glitches. The average time was pretty much the same as I have usually on this machine. So it's working really well. I've got no blue screens, no problems. I've used it a lot since yesterday, and really everything seems to be working quite well. Of course, there's the usual known issues and all of that you got to remember. Anything new in here? Well, there's an updated phone app. So when you actually get your phone app, you now have more options, and if you have compatible devices and Bluetooth, you will have a phone screen. You'll be able to mirror your phone screen on your PC. You also have an updated app that now gives you real-time notifications. You get a call, you will have the notification, a little pop-up is going to say, hey, your phone is ringing. You're getting a call from this number, and so on. So this is kind of nice. All the types of notifications also from different apps within the phone. You got to have a compatible phone, so there's a short list of phones right now that works. And you need to have Bluetooth enabled on your PC, and you need to have it in a specific mode, because not all Bluetooth devices seem to work on this thing. So you got to be... you got to have the compatible hardware. Apart from an update to your phone, there's a few little things. If you like dictation, if you do want to dictate text to your devices or your apps, because of course it's going to, for example, if you use Notepad and you want to dictate text, this works already and it's already been there, but they've added dictation capabilities to different languages that weren't supported before, and they've improved that also. So that means you can dictate text, and it should be a little better than it was before, especially in non-English computers. And talking about non-English computers, the other probably the other big thing is, if you are using the Feedback Hub in a different language, they've made it a little better for the access of the Feedback Hub and how it works on PCs that are non-English, once again. So this is also another thing that they've added here. Apart from that, build 18885 doesn't have really anything other than I'm trying to been going through it a little bit and everything. They've actually just updated the language profiles, and that probably has to do a lot with what I was just talking about, the different dictation and languages available in apps in like the Feedback Hub. Apart from that, what do we have? Nothing much. It seems to work well. I got no issues, no problems at all, and it seems to be going okay. Hopefully everybody on 18362 now can upgrade to this 18885 and enjoy the latest build for 20H1 that was released yesterday, April the 26th. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos and our little reviews of these builds.